Point-of-sale POS systems are critical tools for appliance stores, offering more than just payment processing. They streamline operations, improve customer experience, and provide data-driven insights. In this chapter, we'll explore why choosing the right POS system is essential for appliance retailers aiming to maximize efficiency and profitability. Appliance stores often deal with high-ticket items requiring robust inventory management and customer relationship tools. A well-suited POS system ensures seamless integration of sales, inventory tracking, and marketing efforts, helping businesses stay competitive in a fast-evolving retail landscape. When selecting a POS system for your appliance store, focus on features that address your unique business needs. Inventory management is crucial as it helps track large and complex stock efficiently. Look for systems offering real-time inventory updates, low stock alerts, and multi-location syncing. Another essential feature is customer relationship management, CRM, which enables personalized marketing and loyalty programs. Additionally, robust reporting tools are vital for analyzing sales trends and making informed decisions about pricing and promotions. Number 1. Lightspeed Retail POS. Lightspeed Retail is an excellent choice for multi-branch appliance stores. It offers advanced inventory management tools like barcode stock tracking and real-time visibility across multiple locations. Its intuitive interface simplifies employee management and customer engagement through loyalty programs. While slightly pricier than competitors at $89 per month, its comprehensive features justify the cost. Lightspeed is ideal for growing businesses seeking scalability and efficiency. Number 2. Square POS. Square POS is perfect for small appliance retailers or startups due to its affordability and ease of use. It offers a free plan with essential features like inventory tracking and payment processing. Square excels in omni-channel sales, allowing businesses to sell online and in-store seamlessly. Its user-friendly interface makes it accessible even for non-tech-savvy users. However, larger businesses may find its features limited compared to premium systems. Number 3. Clover POS. Clover POS stands out for established appliance stores with high transaction volumes. It provides customizable hardware options and advanced tools like multi-site inventory management. Clover's App Store offers additional integrations to enhance functionality, such as marketing automation and customer loyalty programs. Starting at $13 per month with affordable transaction fees, Clover is a versatile solution but may require upfront investments in hardware. Number 4. Shopify POS. Shopify POS is tailored for appliance stores, focusing on e-commerce alongside physical sales. Its omni-channel capabilities allow seamless integration between online platforms and brick-and-mortar operations. Shopify's advanced reporting tools help businesses analyze performance across channels, while its robust CRM features support personalized marketing campaigns. However, its higher card processing fees may deter budget-conscious retailers. Number 5. EPOS Now POS. EPOS Now excels in inventory-heavy environments with tools like cost-profit calculators and multi-location stock syncing. Its loyalty program integration allows appliance stores to retain customers effectively through point-based reward systems. Businesses planning expansion will benefit from EPOS Now's scalability features that accommodate new locations seamlessly. However, its pricing might be higher than simpler systems. Choosing the right POS system involves balancing cost against functionality. Entry-level systems like Square are budget-friendly but lack advanced features needed by larger stores. Premium options like Lightspeed or Clover offer comprehensive solutions but require higher investments. Evaluate your business size, transaction volume, and growth plans before deciding. For small appliance stores or startups, Square or Shopify are excellent choices due to their affordability and ease of use. Established retailers should consider Clover or Lightspeed for their feature-rich offerings tailored to high-volume operations. EPOS Now are ideal for businesses seeking scalability and advanced inventory tools. Ultimately, the best system depends on your specific needs. Investing in the right POS system ensures long-term success in the competitive appliance retail market.